Good morning, Sunny Bray students. Happy Tuesday. We hope you had a great 3-day weekend. Good morning, Ms. Gordon. Good morning, Mr. Reyes. This week, we are going to be recognizing and celebrating Kindness Week, and Ms. Gordon is going to give us some ideas on what you can do to show acts of kindness. Next week, in celebration of this is Black History Month, I'm going to be sharing a story with you. So we have some things to look forward to. We haven't seen each other for a while, so let's go ahead and get started.
Good morning, everyone. Please encourage everyone to join you. Please stand up. Put your right hand over your heart as we say the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you very much. Please have your seats.
Our character trait for February is caring. You can show caring through being kind to others. Make sure to show kindness in lots of different ways. Let's think about how we can celebrate Kindness Week.
Happy Kindness Week, Sunny Bray. This is the week where we all make an extra special effort to be kind. Here is a quote about kindness. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. According to the dictionary, kindness is defined as the quality of being friendly, generous, and considerate. But kindness means so much more. Kindness can mean different things to different people. The meaning is in how you choose to show it, be it through empathy, acceptance, kind gestures, thoughtfulness. The possibilities are entirely up to you. Kindness might look like being helpful or showing empathy. It may mean doing nice things without expecting nice things in return. Kindness is a movement. Has someone ever done something kind to you and all you wanted to do afterward was pay it forward? That's because kindness is a chain reaction. It's a wave that keeps rolling, and all it needs is one person to start it. One small kind act can cause a ripple effect that impacts an entire community. If we are all focused on being kind, we are creating a movement of change. You know that famous, "Be the change you wish to see in the world" quote? That quote isn't just about change, and it isn't only about one person being able to change their world. It's bigger. It's about a movement that can be started from one person acting with intention and causing a ripple effect of kindness. Kind is love. Love is kind. Think about what love entails and what it means to love someone. Got it? Well, that's kindness. It's being selfless, caring, compassionate, and unconditionally kind. Like love, it takes practice to understand and feel it. We share love with others through kind acts, such as a smile, a nice word, an unexpected deed, or a planned surprise. When we offer these acts to others, we make people feel good. We pass along hope. We promote peace, and we show the power of kindness. Kindness is grace. We are humans, and therefore we make mistakes. We can be kind in our response to ourselves and others when those mistakes occur. This means thinking before speaking, forgiving before seeking revenge, and thinking about long-term relationships instead of short-term pride. If we could all remember that none of us are perfect, we would be a lot kinder to each other. Offer grace and be kind. Wow, look at all these synonyms for kindness. Such a lot of words that describe the way we should interact with others to make our world a better place. To help celebrate Kindness Week at Sunny Bray, let's think about a special kind act that we can do each and every day. On Tuesday, that's today, make a kind card for a family member or a neighbor. On Wednesday, create a Be Kind or Kindness Matters poster to hang in your window or on your door so that everyone can see it. On Thursday, make a special effort to smile at people at least 20 times. Can you do it even more times than that? On Friday, send a friendly message to someone at Sunny Bray. It might be your teacher, the principal, or someone in the office. You can use Schoology, email, or Class Dojo. There are so many ways to think about kindness. Here is a quote from Mark Twain that I'd like you to think about. Kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. I am so glad that even though we cannot be together at our school, we can still celebrate Kindness Week together and make all of our worlds a kinder place. I know that all of you are kind every single day of the year, but let's make a special effort to be kind even more often during our special celebration of Kindness Week.
Very nicely done. Thank you, Miss Gordon. I feel inspired. And boys and girls, even though you say that maybe when you go out to the grocery store, you're out in the community, you're wearing a mask and nobody will know that you're smiling, we can see smiles all the way up to your eyes. So if you're smiling, even with a mask on, we'll know it. So try it out. Don't be afraid to smile.
Happy Kindness Week, Sunnybray.
Now we'll recognize the classes with the highest % of perfect attendance per grade level. Congratulations, Miss Moore's kindergartners. Good job, Miss Hernandez's first graders. Miss Leparulo's second graders, nice attendance. Great job, Miss Rosas's third graders. Fantastic, Mr. Grameau's fourth graders. Wow, look at Miss Benson's fifth graders. And no surprise here, good job, Mr. Higgins' class. Special congratulations to Miss Rosas's class for their 100% attendance and Mr. Higgins' 5-week 100% attendance streak. That is amazing. Please make sure to attend school every day and complete all your assignments. Good work, Sunnybray.
Let's move on to find out who we're going to be recognizing for the week. Here are this week's shout outs. Room 11, Jovi, for always making her friends feel welcome. Room 10, they can't decide. They're going to announce it later, to be determined. Room 2 is Maya, who always shows great class participation and has excellent attendance. Your teacher is so proud of you, Maya, for always encouraging others and showing kindness to your peers. In room 1, it's Luis, who's kind and polite to his classmates. Nice. Room 3, Ellie is showing kindness to her classmates and teachers by being respectful, helpful, and polite. And in room 6, Leonel. A shout out to Leonel for trying his best to stay focused and making great improvement in writing and math. Way to go. Room 31, we're recognizing Daniel this week, who's showing kindness to his classmates and his teachers. He always has a smile on his face and is willing to share. Remember that act of kindness, just a smile on your face. Good job, Daniel. Room 7, Darla, has made improvement in her reading scores on the DIBELS assessment. She has moved up 1 level. Keep it up, Darla. Room 4, Mrs. Hernandez's class, Nico, is showing his classmates and teacher kindness. He always has a kind word for those who may be having a bad day. Thank you for doing that, Nico. What a great friend. Room 46, Alexis, is the superstar student for the week in room 46. He has improved in paying attention in class and staying on task with activities. Well done, Alexis. And room 27, Sitlali, who's showing kindness to another student by making her a gift for her birthday. Very nice. Remember, we don't have to go out and buy things for others to show them how much we care. We can say something nice to them, or we can draw a picture, write a nice poem. We can do things for them, and that's the best gift of all, your friendship. Room 35, Noah, who's trying hard to get his work done on time and is learning different strategies for solving math problems. Way to go, Noah. Room 47, Naomi, who is a kind student. She encourages everyone to have a good break and lunch. Thank you for sharing your kindness with the class, Naomi. Good job, sweetie. And in room 26, we're going to recognize Kathleen this week, who was a student that always displays kindness. She always greets the day with a strong good morning and a pep in her step. You must be coming to school ready to learn each day, Kathleen. When other students win awards, she's always the first to applaud for them. She always has a kind word to say to others. Great role model, Kathleen. Room 28, Diego. Diego has increased his class participation and he has nearly doubled his reading rate to reach grade level fluency. Congratulations, Diego. And in room 49, we're recognizing Edith, who's kind and happy and sees the good in everyone else. She has also moved up one level in Devils. Well done, Edith. We move on to room 29, and Jesus. He also is recognizing kindness, exhibiting kindness. Jesus is polite and consistently shows excellent manners. Well done, Jesus. And room 34, Camilla, is caring and genuinely kind-hearted person. She is always the first to volunteer to help others. Keep doing that. Thank you, Camilla. And in room 51, Jean. Great job, Jean, in fluently adding and subtracting multi-digit whole numbers using the standard algorithm. Well done. And we're moving on to 5th grade. In room 50, we need to recognize Bella, Sebastian, and Nicole, for all of these students are extremely kind to not only to the teacher, but to the rest of the class. They're sharing their ideas and strategies, which allows others to learn from them and allows the teacher to check for understanding. Thank you for participating and being an active member in the class. Good job, you guys. Oh, Mr. A, you couldn't decide either. You guys are all thinking about it. So many students to choose from. To be determined. We'll see what's coming next. Room 48, Helen has been improving steadily. She makes it a top priority to attend class on time daily and completes all required classwork assignments. She is doing her best to successfully learn virtually. Keep it up, Helen.
For this week, we are recognizing the following students in our multi-age classrooms. So for room 8, we're recognizing Mateo. Mateo comes to Zoom with a big smile on his face and waves to say good morning to everyone. In addition, he imitates words. He also does phrase approximations of and also imitates simple actions or sounds when interacting with peers and others. Very kind of you, Mateo. For room 9, we're recognizing Isabella for caring about her friends, encouraging them to do a good job, and always having a good attitude. Good job, Isabella. For room 5, a shout out to Johnny. Johnny comes to class every day on time, ready to participate. He has made excellent progress in reading. His fluency reading is well above average. Good job, Johnny. Oh, for our room 33, it's also to be determined. There's a lot of teachers who really having a hard time figuring out who gets a shout out for this week. For room 44, Alexander, you're always mindful of others and conduct yourself in a way that promotes a pleasant classroom environment. Thank you, Alexander. For room 45, a shout out to Christian for being so caring and kind to your family. And to Henry too.
Thank you, Mr. Reyes. Here's the announcement for this week. On Friday, we have another coffee with the principal. And students, teachers, please invite your parents to attend this meeting. It is so important. We're going to be talking about budget for next year. Teachers, during the meeting this afternoon, we're going to be talking about budget also. So please get ready to be thinking about what we need to do to make sure our kids are achieving at their optimal level. We need everybody's input to do that successfully. And now let's go on to the birthday shout outs for this week. Here we go.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday.
Have a nice day. Bye-bye.